Good morning, guys. So I'm currently at home on home standby, as this month and for the month of February I have been on reserve, and around 30 to 45 minutes ago I got a call from crew scheduling to say that I'm off to Paris, which I am super excited about. I've not been to Paris in a very long time, so I thought what better than to take my camera with me and film the entire trip. As you can see, I'm not quite ready. I'm still in my dressing gown. I still have a little time until I need to leave, so I'll check back in when I'm ready. And I'm back, all ready, uniform on, got the lipstick on, Uber's on its way, so I need to get going. So I have just arrived at the hotel in Paris. It's currently just after 9 p.m. so I think it's -3 hours from Dubai here. So quite late, and tonight I plan on just chilling out, having a shower, get some food, and then have a nice early night, because in the morning I am going to be meeting one of the girls downstairs pretty early, and we're going to take the train into the city and go for a nice breakfast, have a walk around, take some pictures, and take you guys along with me. But before that, I just thought I'd give you a quick sort of little tour of the room here that I have. A bathroom. Cute little bedroom. So yeah, that's it, and yeah, see you in the morning. Good morning. So it's the next day here in Paris, and it is, I think, about 8:30 in the morning. Just finished getting ready. Had a look outside, the weather's a little bit cloudy. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but still, if it does, oh well, I'm still going out. I'm about to go downstairs now and meet one of the girls, and we're gonna get the train and go into the city centre, so see you there. Hey guys, so we are in Paris. So we just came to the Louvre, and unfortunately it's closed today. And we were gonna have breakfast here, but now we don't really know what to do, so I think we are gonna go to near the Eiffel Tower and try and find if we can have breakfast there. It's kind of cold today, but yeah, we're gonna have a walk around, see in the background, and see what we can find. There she is. What was your question? So after getting lost on a couple of trains, we made it! I swear every time I come here it rains. Maybe I'm not supposed to come to Paris. Now comes the ultimate taste test. That is good. So I just went for a crepe with Nutella. And it's also pancake day. What did you go for?
Lemon and sugar. The original.
So we are heading back to the train now, so we can go back to the hotel and sleep. So I'm finally back at the hotel now. I have about 4 hours now until the wake-up call, so I plan on having a shower, taking all this off and chilling out, trying to get a little nap, because we have a night flight back to Dubai now and we're landing in the morning. So yeah, I'll check back in with you before I check out and see you then. So I'm finally ready and back in the uniform again, back in the lipstick again, just with glasses this time because it's a night flight and my eyes get super dry on night flights, because even if you manage to sleep before the flight, your body still knows you should be in bed asleep. So that's kind of like one of the struggles with when you have a flight where you know you're supposed to be asleep but you're awake and you have to try and stay awake. So yeah, anyway, I'm about to go check out and head back to Dubai. And yeah, I want to thank you for watching and me taking you on a mini tour of Paris. And I kind of hope that I get to come back in the spring, summertime when it's a bit warmer. It was ever so slightly on the colder side today, and a little bit rainy and cloudy, but hopefully I get to come back when it's more summery and sunny. And yeah, thanks for watching.